Well, in just 3 days' time, construction is set to begin on the Central Avenue Bridge near Wildwood. Leaders say it is a much-needed repair, but in the process, it's going to close that busy stretch in both directions for several months, requiring drivers to either take a 5-mile detour to get around it or possibly go off into residential neighborhoods. Our Michael Sandlin joining us live off Central Avenue tonight with how local leaders are getting ready for this big project. So, Michael, what will this mean for residents and businesses near there?
Jeff, earlier today asked that question to Ottawa Hills Village Administrator, who says between this construction and the Secor Road Bridge construction, residents are going to need to be patient for the next few months. And for organizations like the Upworth United Methodist Church, it's something they're asking their entire congregation. With a detour that requires taking the scenic trip around West Toledo, faith leaders at Upworth United Methodist have been preparing their residents to take a new route to church for the last 6 weeks.
We've, given them some tutorials as far as, you're coming from the mall, this is where you turn.
They've added memos and maps in their bulletins and even coached certain residents about the direct routes they can take from home.
So hopefully this isn't going to be a big glitch for us, but we think we've prepared everyone to the best of our ability.
It's just one example of how residents in the West Toledo, Ottawa Hills region will have to adjust to this serious construction over the next few months. Leaders inside the Ottawa Hills Administration building say the new traffic pattern is something they're keeping an eye on.
In the village, we're going to be watching the traffic to make sure that people are obeying the law. We'll have the officers keep an eye out for that.
But with few direct routes cutting through the village, they're not concerned things will get out of control on residential roads. Instead, they're expecting a few confused drivers.
I'm sure we'll get some of it, and we'll just try to help educate the drivers as they're moving along.
But to avoid that altogether, they're asking people to follow Upworth United's lead.
Just plan ahead a little bit and give yourself a little extra time. In the long run, it's going to be worth it.
The Secor Road Bridge construction started in January, expected to end in July. And the Central Avenue Bridge construction, assuming that everything goes well, is expected to be complete August 10th. Reporting in the village of Ottawa Hills, I'm Michael Sandlin for WTOL 11.